How to fill invite bar on Monopoly Go. Now, first things first is of course access your Monopoly Go application. Now, by the way, there is actually no tricks or techniques on doing this specific method. All you really need to do is accumulate those invite points or invite links for you to be able to fill out and get the final price of those certain feature. Now, if you go ahead and tap on the friends on the lower right of your screen and then tap on invite, this is actually what we're talking about right here. So let's say, for example, you invite the first person right here. All I have to do is uh, just simply press on this dice right here and you will automatically claim it. So this is the rules. Now, once you have accumulated 10 friends or 10 invited friends using your Monopoly Go account right here, you will be able to get this gift right here, 150 dice, and win this Mr. Monopoly character right here, or whatever this is. Just simply can unglot it. So all you have to do is instead of inviting friends through Facebook, you can go ahead and choose on the yellow button right here. You can go ahead and directly send it via the messenger, or you can also send it throughout a Discord or maybe WhatsApp, and then and so on and so forth. So there again, there is no tricks and techniques on how you will automatically fill out until the last part of that reward. All you have to do is really to invite 10 friends for you to be able to reach the final reward right here. So those are the steps on how you can claim or how you will fill in the invite bar on Monopoly Go.